Jagota, and today I'm going to show you a project. It's a object that follows the table. Can you guess? Yes, you are right. Table follower. So today I made a table follower, and I tried several times. Firstly, I made with the ultrasonic sensor, but how come with the ultrasonic sensor it was not working at all? So I switched the sensor to IR. Now it's working perfectly. Let me explain about it. So as you can see, so this is the table. Okay, the car will go forward, 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 and when the table corner overs, it will automatically stop and take a turn back and move forward again. So now let me show you the tutorial video.